Well, folks, I know I said I'd be doing another running trains video, but, let's just say I've been kind of busy, so here it is, finally. I know it's been a little while, but, yeah. So I never did hear back from any of you about, you know, what engines you wanted me to run, so I'm just gonna run a few that I think are kind of popular on the channel, based on views and stuff like that. So let's get started with everybody's favorite DD-40. And that'll be enough of that. On to the next engine. The next engine is my AHM Alco Century 424 or something like that, in the Spirit of 76 paint scheme. It's got such a ridiculously long name, I always forget it. But here we go. And that's enough of that engine. On to the next one. And now it's my dad's AHM C Liner. So away we go. And now on to the next and final engine of the night. Or day. Whatever you want to call it. Now I know you guys are thinking, hey, I thought this was supposed to be popular engines. Well, I don't know about you guys, but this thing, watching this thing run really fast is one of the funniest sights I've ever seen. So I'm going to do that for you guys today. I know I don't normally run trains fast, or especially fast or anything like that, but this is going to be one hilarious sight. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Of course it goes the wrong way. Uh-oh. Well, that didn't end so well. Oh, gosh. Just proves how fun one of these guys can be, though. I broke the coupler, too. Well, I guess I got me a job to do. Anyway, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. And with that, I'm gonna leave you guys with some sort of photo of the engines we've run today. Keep on model railroading.